Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's super straightforward but can save you some hassle: how to cancel your PlayStation Plus subscription in 2025. Whether you're looking to cut costs, take a break from gaming, or just reevaluate your subscriptions, this guide will get you through it quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PlayStation Network account. You can do this on the PlayStation website or through the console app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head over to the account settings. It's usually found in the top right corner of the screen, represented by your profile icon. Click on that, and look for the Account or Subscription section. Now, this is where it gets specific. In the account settings, navigate to the Subscriptions tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions, including PlayStation Plus. Select PlayStation Plus from the list, and you'll be taken to a details page. Look for the option that says something like Turn off Auto Renew or Cancel Subscription. Click on that. It might prompt a confirmation message to make sure you really want to proceed. After you confirm, you'll get a summary of what happens next. For 2025, Sony has made this process even smoother, so expect a clear message about when your subscription ends and any refunds if applicable. Remember, if you've paid for the current period, you can still use the benefits until it expires. A quick tip: before you cancel, double-check if there are any ongoing promotions or games you might miss out on. If you change your mind later, resubscribing is just as easy through the same settings. And there you have it. That's how you cancel your PlayStation Plus subscription in 2025. It only takes a few minutes, and you've got full control over your account. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay gaming.